Hello again. In this lecture, I'd like to show you how to spoof the extension of the backdoor we have generated. So in order to start spoofing the extension to any other extension, to a JPG or PDF or any other document extension, you need one application called AutoIt. To download that one, we need to go to the web browser and just write AutoIt download. And this is the main website, AutoIt script. If you go down, just click here to get the latest version. Save. Okay, I have already done it. Then if you go to the command line, just go to the OPT, list the contents. This is the file. Just write wine and the file name exe. If you don't have wine tool, just write apt-get as usual, install wine. This tool will be installed when we installed vil evasion. It will be installed with it, but if it's not there, just use apt-get install and install it. Now if you run it, wine and the file name, enter, then it will just show the wizard similar to the Windows one. Just you need to press next and take the default options, and then it will finish. I have already done it just to save the time. After finishing, now we have the tool where we can use to start spoofing the extension file. The first step is we need to merge this file with icon file, and to do that, first of all, we need to use a script to download the backdoor and the icon image we want to download it. So from the GitHub page, we can find this auto download executable AU3. This is the extension of AutoIt application. So just copy this one as is and go to any text file. Just create a text file, create document, give it a name, any name. Let's call it autoit.txt. Enter. Now let's open it with leafpad. If you don't have leafpad text editor, just use apt-get install leafpad and you will get it. And let's paste here. Now this script, it's asking us to put a URL and another URL here, separating between them with commas. The first URL, it will be for the picture we want to use it as an icon. So if let's say I went to web browser again to choose any picture. Let's say I'll use a flower picture. Let's say I'll use this one or this one, whatever. After getting the picture here, just right click view image, just to make sure we have at last a JPG extension. We'll copy this URL and we'll keep it in the text script here. And the next URL, it will be for our backdoor. So it will be here. It will be in the web browser. I don't want to take it from OPT. Let's take it from the web server directory, because if I want to connect remotely to download it. So let's take boom. So this is the URL here. Instead of taking the URL here, I need to use the IP of the Kali machine. So here, just I need to use HTTP and the IP of my machine. Just let's double check what's the IP of my machine. fconfig. Okay, 105. And the folder name, then boom, .exe. If I want to test this link if it's working or not, just I need to copy it and put it in the web browser of the Kali machine, enter. Why it's showing like that? Because I need to start the web service. Just I write service Apache 2 start, then I can reach the web server directory. Then if I go again here and press enter, yes, I can download the file now. Okay, so this is working. So here our auto script is ready. Just I need to save it as is. Yes, then I need to change its name from auto8 to AU3, similar to this extension here as we have seen in the script. .AU3 it should be. Okay, then rename. If we go to desktop now, the symbol of this file will change. Then we need an icon to merge this file with the icon. We'll take that photo which we have already chosen, this one. Let's say I want to save it on desktop with any name, save. Then I'll go to web browser, just I'll convert this to icon, or I can go directly and download an icon from any website. There is a lot of websites to download icons from. Convert to ICO, image online converter. Let's choose a file under desktop, pictures of flowers. It's uploaded. Then we can just start conversion. Okay, now our icon file is ready. Save. If we check it, ICO, it's there. Okay, pictures of flower. Just I'll rename it to something smaller, flower. Enter. Okay, now I'll go to auto8, just write compiler. We'll compile this script to exe. So it's asking me where is AU3 file. It's on desktop here, and the destination where this output will be, I'll just keep it as is under root, and it will just generate a new file under this name. And the icon file, flower.icon, open. Okay, after selecting the flower icon, just we need to press convert, and here is the file. So if I take this file, let's say to my PC, so you can see it looks like a picture, just remaining to change this exe extension to JPG. This is the first step or the first phase. In the next lecture I'll show you how to change the extension to keep the file looks like a JPG file.